Hello children, in this video we are going to study exercise 1.2 question number 4. Kirti bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June and books worth rupees 4,07,68 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So students, in this question, they asked you how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together. This is one question asked. Then the second question asked is, in which week was the sale greater? And the third question, in which week was the sale greater and by how much it is? Okay children, so let's start this question, answer to this question. Now children, let's start. In first week of June, books sold were of rupees 2,85,891. In second week, the books sold were of rupees 4,07,68 rupees. Now the first part of the question, how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? First part is the sale for 2 weeks together is, we have to add these 2 week sale. So first week sale was how much children? 2,85,891 plus 4,07,68 rupees. If we add these 2, the total sale that we will get in 2 weeks together will be of rupees 6,86,659. Okay children, now they are asking you, in which week was the sale greater? Of course, in second week the sale was greater. So this you have to mention B part as a B part. In second week the sale was greater. And now they are asking by how much it was greater in second week. So by how much means what we have to do children here? Yes, we have to minus or we have to subtract. Now to subtract, of course from bigger number we are going to subtract the smaller number. Here the bigger number is 4,07,68 and the smaller number is 2,85,891. Now children, if you subtract this, 8 minus 1 will give you 7, 6 minus 9 is not possible, so I have to borrow this 1 from here. Now 16 minus 9 will give me 7. 6 minus 8 is not possible, so this will go to this number, but then 3, 9 and 10, 9. Now this is possible. 16 minus 8 will give me 8. 9 minus 5 will give me 4. 9 minus 8 will give me 1. And 3 minus 2 will give me 1. So in second week the sale was greater by 1,14,877. Understood children? In this way we have completed the 3 parts of the question. Now let's see the second question. Now children, let's read the 5th number question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Now here children, first we have to form the greatest digits using these digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. To form the greatest digits we have to write the number in descending order. So if you write the number here 76432, the number will be 76,432, and the least digit formed by these is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, that is 23,467. Now they are telling you to find the difference. Now difference means what, children? We have to subtract smaller number from the greater number, and by simple subtraction you will get, children, 52,965. Now see, children, here we can't subtract this 7 from 2, so this will become 2 and this will become 12. Again we can't subtract this 6 from 2, so this will borrow 1. Now easy subtraction is possible. 12 minus 7 will give you 5, 12 minus 6 will give you 6, 13 minus 4 will give you 9, 5 minus 3 will give you 2, 7 minus 2 will give you 5. So the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit numbers that is formed by using these digits is 52,965. Now children, let's see question. Now first read the question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. Means in one day a machine manufactures 2,825 screw. How many screws did it produced in the month of January 2006? Now children, in one day the machine is manufacturing 2,825 screw. So in the month of January it will manufacture how many screw? What we have to do first? Addition, subtraction, multiplication or division? Yes, we have to multiply. Now children, you know in the month of January how many days are there? 31 days. So let's start. Now children, screws manufactured by a machine in a day. Answer we are writing. Now screw manufactured by a machine in a day is equal to 2,825. Screws produced in the month of January is equal to how much? Now January has 31 days, and so we will multiply 2,825 by 31, and by simple multiplication we will get that the screw produced in the month of January are 87,575. Okay children. Now let's solve question number 8. Oh sorry, 7. Question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Now see children, here a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her, and they are telling you that she gave an order of 40 radio sets, and one radio set was for 1200 rupees. So 40 radio sets, how much she will pay? That we will see in the solution. So let's start. Now children, here in solution we will write the merchant has rupees 78,592 rupees with her. Now she gave an order of purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. Means one radio set was for how much? 1200 rupees. So 40 radio sets she will have to pay how much? What we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply 1200 multiplied by 40, that will give you rupees 48,000. Understood children? Now a merchant has to pay rupees 48,000 for 40 radio set. Now they are asking, after paying this much money, what will be the amount of rupees left with the merchant? So merchant had how many rupees? 78,592 rupees. By after purchasing 40 radio set or after paying the money for 40 radio set, the money left, what we have to do, children, now here? We have to subtract. Now if you subtract this, the amount of the money left with her after purchasing will be 30,592 rupees. Now children, in this video we will stop here, and from 8th question we will see in the next video.